Well, the actor who's hoping to take the place of Govinda, become the face in a sense of the star politician of Mumbai is Nagma. She now joins us. Govinda may not be getting a ticket, but Nagma is certainly hoping for us for one. Appreciate your joining us here, Nagma. The fact is that Govinda's experience with politics has been unsavory for the citizens of Mumbai North. They believe he's been the missing MP. How are you going to be any different to a Govinda? Stars want tickets, they want to contest, but they don't want to do enough for the people of the city.
Rajdeep, I think it's going to be really unfair of pitting one person against the other, first of all. And I think a lot of many stars are there and as politicians, and many have done very good amount of work. Like, for example, Dattab has done good amount of work, and even Raj Babbar ji, even Shatrughan Sinha ji, even Hema ji, even Jayaprada ji. I think a lot of artists have, proved themselves to be right in politics, and it takes a while before you get the hang of politics, because we're not basically from a very political background. So it does take a while to get a hang of it, but as long as the intention is clear of doing service and giving time to people, I think that's what, should be taken into consideration.
This is a question perhaps we need to ask most star politicians. Why politics? You've got so much success in your field. Why politics? It's a dirty, it's got heat and dust. You need to be out. Why politics?
This is a good question that you're asking me, but I think it's not only politics. Artists are into all spheres of fields of life, like some of them are into IPL and some of them are in different business strata. So it's not only politics, but some of the artists do come across, getting into politics, or depends on what kind of opportunities or where their interest lies.
Right.
And I've always been like, since my forefathers from my mom's side, they've always been freedom fighters, and I think the same blood runs in my system, and somewhere along the line, each one needs to establish herself in career.
How will you respond, Nagma, to those who say that out of work film stars want to enter politics? That basically earlier it used to be when you had tax problems, when film stars had tax problems, they entered politics, or they had someone who was a friend who was a politician. Now when your work becomes less, you want to enter politics as a second career.